Hi there and welcome to a new grammar lesson, and today we're going to talk about comparatives and superlatives, what they are and how to use them. Let's start with comparatives. What we should know is we use comparatives when we compare two things or two persons. For example, two apples, two movies, or two persons. What we need to know when we compare two things in English that after adjective we need to use word than. Than. The red building is taller than the yellow one. A blue ball is bigger than the red one. A princess is more beautiful than a witch. Math is more difficult than English. So let's see how to form the comparatives. As you have seen from previous examples, when we use short adjectives such as tall, thin, hot, big, cold, small, smart, to form their comparatives, we should add the ending er. Er. Big, bigger. Tall, taller. Cold, colder. Small, smaller. Smart, smarter. For example, a kitten is smaller than a cat. A dog is bigger than a puppy. Summer is hotter than winter. Ice cream is colder than pizza. If adjectives finish with y, like funny, easy, happy, in this case we need to remove y and add the ending ier. Funny, funnier. Easy, easier. Happy, happier. If we use long adjectives such as beautiful, difficult, exciting, we should use more before the adjectives. For example, this dress is more beautiful than others. Chinese is more difficult than English. Roller coaster is more exciting than watching TV. Superlatives. We use superlatives when we compare more than two things or persons. The river Amazon is the longest river in the world. Everest is the highest mountain. Hummingbird is the smallest bird. So what we should do to form superlatives? When we use short adjectives, we use the definite article the plus ending est. Long, longest. High, highest. Small, smallest. If adjectives finish with y, they lose y, and we should add the ending iest, like funny, funniest. Happy, happiest. Tidy, tidiest. Easy, easiest. If adjectives are long, we should use the most before them. For example, Bugatti is the most expensive car. Harry Potter is the most interesting book I have ever read. Cindy is the most polite person I have ever met. As in all languages, there are always exceptions. For example, good. The adjective good, its comparative form will be better, and its superlative form will be the best. Good, better, the best. My phone is good. Your phone is better, but his phone is the best. Another exception is bad. Bad, worse, worst. Today the weather is bad. Yesterday it was worse. But last weekend it was the worst weather I have ever seen. Now it's quiz time. Are you ready? Number 1. A truck is ... then a car. A. Bigger. B. More big. C. The biggest. Question number 2. It's better. I thought. A. As. B. Than. And C. Than. The question number 3. It was than I was expecting. A. Cheaper. B. Cheapest. C. Both answers are correct. Number 4. The underground is buses. A. More expensive. B. The most expensive. C. More expensive than. Put your answers in the comments. I will tell you if you are right. How many will you guess? For more videos, follow my channel.